Today I want to teach you that when you reread, you don't just see new things in the story, you also notice new things about the characters. When you discover new details, you can think, what is this teaching me about this character? Let's do this thinking and noticing work together. As we read, let's use what we already know about the characters to realize new things. I'll start. Think along with me. Let's reread the first chapter. Read and think along with me. Chapter 1, Baseball. Mr. Putty and his fine cat Tabby loved to nap in the summertime. They loved napping in the garden. They loved napping on the porch. They loved napping in the car. Readers, I already knew that Mr. Putter loves to take naps, but now I see that he naps everywhere with his cat Tabby, even in the car. But what is this teaching me about Mr. Putter? I'm realizing that he naps so much because he's old and not so peppy. He needs lots of rest. Let's keep reading. It seems that we nap all the time, Mr. Putty said to Tabby one day. Tabby was old and her frisky days were over. She loved napping. I think we need a sport, said Mr. Putter. Tabby opened one eye. I think we need baseball, said Mr. Putter. Tabby opened the other eye. I wonder where my old mitt is, said Mr. Putter. He headed to the basement. Tabby was wide awake now. Readers, are you realizing something about Mr. Putter? There is a lot of other sports stuff in Mr. Putter's basement. I see roller skates and a bike. And a sled and a bowling ball, too. Sometimes the words teach us new things about the character, and other times we can learn more by looking closely at the pictures. So there's lots of sports equipment in Mr. Putter's basement. But what is this teaching us about Mr. Putter? Think a bit further. You may be realizing Mr. Putter is sporty too, not just Miss Teaberry like we learned in Chapter 2, but all of his sports equipment is in the basement. He doesn't use it often. He probably hasn't played any sports in a long, long time. Rereading is helping us learn so much more about Mr. Putter. See, you can reread and use the pictures and the words to notice new things about a character. Then you can think, what is this teaching me about this character? To better understand the character. Readers, or should I say rereaders, remember that you can learn even more about your characters by rereading.